Welcome to Spencer's Paper Airplanes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold the space dart. It's a really good dart and it's easy to fold. It has a thick nose so it flies far and straight and fast. And it's really easy to fold. Let's see the space dart in flight and then I'll teach you how to fold it. You how to fold it using a strip of paper, and how you get that strip of paper is you take an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper or A4 paper, fold your top edge to your left edge, and cut this sheet of paper into a square, and then the strip that's left over, you'll need this for the plane. So I'm going to start by folding this top edge to the left edge. I'm going to unfold that. Now fold this outer edge to the crease you just made. This is how the front of the plane is going to get. Now, roll in on the existing crease you have. The plane should look like this. Now we're going to fold this edge in 3 times. How we're going to do that is we're going to fold basically like your classic dart. Gonna fold in, make sure your top corner is sharp, and crease. So that was 1 time. So we folded like this, folded in again. We folded in 1 time. We're going to do that 2 more times. 1, 2. It's okay if your tip is kind of messy. Now, when you flip it over, you see this little triangle here. We're going to fold down along this top edge, just like this. Make sure it really catches that. And now basically we're going to tuck it into the plane by loosely unfolding it, folding back, and then folding back there. Okay, now we're going to fold the plane back in half on our existing crease, and we're going to fold this edge to our bottom edge. I like to start just about in the middle and roll the layers to the front and finish at the back just like this. Your wing won't go all the way to the tip, and that's fine. Now you're gonna match it on the other side, just like that. Here, roll it front as much as you can, and crease. And you have a finished space dart. Now, the way you throw this is you're basically holding it with your normal grip, like that, but you're putting your pointer finger at the back, and then you throw it. It should fly far, straight, and fast.